What's the meaning of Childe Harold's pilgrimage? Childe Harold's pilgrimage. Childe Harold's pilgrimage.
Childe Harold's pilgrimage. Childe Harold's pilgrimage. Childe Harold's Pilgrimage is a long narrative poem written by Lord Byron. It tells the story of a young man named Childe Harold who embarks on a journey through Europe in search of self-discovery and meaning. Through his travels, Childe Harold experiences various emotions and encounters different cultures, ultimately leading to his disillusionment with society and his own sense of identity. The poem is often seen as a reflection of Byron's own experiences and has been praised for its vivid descriptions and evocative language.